My lovely fishes. Butterfly koi. There is a butterfly koi. Golden tilapia. King foil. Albino and the black one. Chimbukin. See how lovely the butterfly koi. It cost 100 pesos each. And that's all the butterfly koi. And can see the geometry fish. Where is that? Chimbukin. Golden tilapia. That is a golden tilapia. Golden tilapia. King foil.
Para palabas yun, napatay ng anak ko, para sa'yo siya. That's absurd! Hindi, dapat yung wala kinorma.
Cool fishes. I don't know where is the janitor fish. See how white the butterfly koi.
I'm not supposed to tell you. Since this is a very confidential matter.
See the golden tilapia. Yeah, that's the golden tilapia. See how white is the butterfly koi.
Hindi. Hindi ka na